Today I'm going to walk you through how to whitelist an IP address on your WordPress website using the all-in-one WP Security plugin, often called AIOS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give trusted users or services uninterrupted access. Super helpful if you want to ensure that your own IP, your TMS, or perhaps a specialized tool never gets accidentally blocked by your site's security settings. So let's get right into it. First things first, we need to log into your WordPress admin panel. When you visit your site comwp admin, you'll land at the login page. Enter your username and password, and if you use two-factor authentication, go ahead and take care of that step as well. Logging in is always your gateway to making changes that really shape and protect your website. Just a friendly reminder, always keep your login credentials secure and never share them unless absolutely necessary. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see all the sections that let you control every part of your site. Look for the WP Security menu. It might say All-in-One WP Security or just WP Security, depending on how it's set up. If you don't see this menu, you may need to install and activate the AIOS plugin first. But if you already have it, you're good to go. Now go ahead and click on the WP Security menu. You'll see a bunch of options drop down, but what we're interested in is the Firewall section. Click on Firewall. And this will open up a set of powerful features designed to keep your site safe from unwanted visitors or attacks. Next, we want to find the Whitelist IP addresses section. Sometimes this is tucked under Firewall rules, or it might be in a similarly named area depending on your AIOS version. Take a moment here, you might need to scroll a little or check different sub-tabs within the Firewall settings. Don't worry if it takes a second. Every plugin update can move things around a bit, but it's always under something firewall related. When you've found the Whitelist IP addresses area, you'll see a space where you can enter an IP address. So what does this actually do? By whitelisting an IP, you're telling your security system, this visitor is trusted, let's not block them by mistake. This is especially crucial if you have staff members, contractors, or remote tools that need reliable access, without ever being stopped by strict firewall rules. It's a safe list, like giving a friend the secret handshake to enter your club, no questions asked. Now enter the IP address you want to whitelist in the box. Make sure you enter it carefully. Just one wrong number means you're whitelisting somebody else, or it won't work at all. If you're not sure about your current IP address, you can always Google "what is my IP," and it'll pop right up. If you need to add more than one, most plugins let you enter them one per line. But check for any instructions on the page to be sure. Finally, after double-checking that you typed the IP address correctly, hit Save or Apply Changes. This step puts all your work into effect. It might take a moment as the plugin updates your firewall settings, so give it a few seconds. After that, you're all set. Your specified IP address or addresses are now whitelisted, and anyone connecting from them will be able to access protected areas of your site without unexpected hiccups. That's it, you've just made your WordPress site a little more secure and a lot more friendly to your trusted users. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions or run into trouble at any step, just leave me a comment down below. I do my best to answer everyone. And of course, subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.